Do you understand?
Yes.
I wish I had a ham sandwich to calm my nerves.
Get a hold of yourself, dang!
How come I suddenly know which boy bands rock out loud?
Hey guys, Brian here. I'm going to do some Pokemon openings. Might make this into an actual series. I do enjoy Pokemon. I'm not into the card game anymore, but I do love collecting the cards still and looking at the art on them. I don't know what cards are good, what cards aren't. To me, it doesn't really matter. But we'll try these out, see what we get. If there's a good card in the pack, definitely let me know. See what we got here. Trapinch, Flababy, Tingler, Duskull, Timepole, Snowrunt. There's a second card. Alola Sandslash. Care about energy card, don't really care about training card. Dusclops. Alola Grimer. Slugma. Chincho. Cosmog. Pancham? Yeah, so those names are weird. Lillipup. Nice little card. Slurpuff. Energy, Trainer card, Clefairy, Ignite. One of my favorite starters. So what do we got here first? Drillbur. Got double of those already. Basic Eevee. Duskull. Dropped the best card, I think. No, that's a Temple. Trainer card. Oh, that's nice. Gusma and Hala. Tag team card. Misty and Lorelei. Tag team card. I don't know anything about these tag team cards. Zangoose. And a Gloom. A basic Gloom. So yeah. Nothing too spectacular by any means, I don't think. Still some decent looking cards. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like down below. But yeah, if you guys do like this and you want to see more, definitely leave a like down below. Leave a comment. Let me know your favorite card of the ones we got here. And yeah. Feel free to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications. That way you get notified of the next video we upload. So until then, I will talk to you guys all later. Peace!